Hello and welcome to the show. Ever wonder what really powers our green future? We hear a lot about electric cars, wind turbines, and solar panels. But what if I told you the real engines of this clean energy revolution are tiny, unassuming elements dug from the earth? We're not just shifting how we power our world, we're triggering a massive change in global power itself, all thanks to something called critical minerals. Think of critical minerals, like lithium, cobalt, nickel, and rare earths, as the new oil, but for the 21st century. Their demand is exploding. The International Energy Agency predicts that to hit our net zero goals, we'll need more than double the amount of these minerals by 2030, and a staggering 4 times as much by 2040. Just last year, lithium use jumped 30%. Why? Well, an electric car needs 6 times more minerals than a regular car. An onshore wind plant? 9 times more than a gas plant. We're talking about a potential market worth $400 billion. That's more than the value of all coal mined in 2020. But here's the catch. Getting these minerals isn't easy. Imagine if most of the world's bakeries were in just 1 or 2 towns. That's kind of what it's like with critical minerals. A few countries control most of the mining, and even fewer control the processing. China, for example, processes 80 to 90% of some of these crucial materials. Australia is big for lithium, Chile for copper, the DRC for cobalt, and Indonesia for nickel. This concentration is a huge risk. Geopolitical tensions, new regulations, or even natural disasters could disrupt everything. Some countries are even thinking about restricting exports to build their own industries. This creates what experts call the materials trilemma. How do we ensure these minerals are available, affordable, and sustainably sourced? It's a massive headache for policymakers. Nations are waking up to the fact that their economic future and national security are now tied to these resources. So the race is on. Countries are scrambling to diversify their supplies, invest in their own mining and processing, and form new alliances. The EU is forging strategic partnerships, and the US is fast-tracking permits for domestic mines. This isn't just about digging stuff up, it's redrawing the world map of influence. Countries rich in these minerals, many in the global south, are finding themselves in powerful new positions. It's a shift from a fuel-heavy energy system to a mineral-heavy one. But pressure also breeds innovation. Scientists are working on new battery designs that use less of the problematic minerals, like low cobalt or no cobalt batteries. And recycling? It's a game changer. By mid-century, recycling could slash the need for new mining by 25 to 40% for key minerals. Even AI and blockchain are being roped in to make supply chains smarter and more transparent. Now, it's important to be realistic. Extracting and processing these minerals isn't without its own problems. Mining can be energy-intensive, potentially harming biodiversity, and causing pollution if not done right. So ensuring this green transition is also a just and fair one means focusing on sustainable mining and responsible sourcing. We need a truly circular economy. So this journey to a new energy era, powered by critical minerals, is incredibly complex. It offers amazing opportunities for a cleaner future, but also brings new rivalries and risks. What's clear is that international cooperation, smart investments in diverse and sustainable supplies, and a relentless focus on innovation and recycling are absolutely essential. The era of big shovels has begun, and its impact will be felt for decades. The question is, how will we navigate it?